Hi, I'm Yuni at Love Your Abode, and I'm so excited to have my daughter.
Hi, I'm Emmy.
We are joining the Home Depot Kids Workshop to bring you this month's project, and we are building a
window bird feeder.
The wonderful thing about the Kids Workshop is that most of the supplies are already included in the kit. You just need to pick up your own free kit on the first Saturday of every month at your local Home Depot. If you have any questions, be sure to include them in the chat box. You'll find instructions for this project in the resources below. Now, let's get started. For this particular project, most of the items that you'll need are already included in the kit, but there are a few supplies that you'll want to use, and Emmy's going to tell us a little bit more about that.
The items you'll need are paint, paintbrushes, and a hammer.
Remove all of your items from the kit. It will include directions, a certificate, a pin, a workshop extension activity, and your supplies. Have all your items ready, including your paint, paintbrushes, and a hammer. Let's start the assembly. For step 1, lay the long roof flat with the nail holes facing up. Step 2, stand the short roof up. Place the nailed end of the long roof on top. Make sure the outside edges are even and carefully nail them together to form a roof. Step 3, lay the roof down. Place the house shape on top and align to roof edge. Make sure the peaks are even, and using 4 short nails, nail them together. Step 4, stand both side pieces up on the short edges. Place the front piece on top with a branded logo facing up. Make sure the outside edges are even. Using 2 short nails, nail them together. Lay the project down with the branded logo upside down. Make sure all edges are even. Using 4 short nails, nail them together to form a tray. Be sure to give assistance when needed. Step 5. Place the tray on the front edge. Place the bottom edge of the house shape on top. Make sure the side and bottom edges are even. Using 2 short nails, nail them together. If you decide to paint the project, make sure to paint and wait to dry completely before adding the suction cup hooks. I always make sure to add a paper bag or an old table cover to protect our surface. It gives your child the creative freedom to make a mess. Once your project is completely dry, you can add the suction cup hooks. Don't forget to add some bird food to your window bird feeder. Go outside and find a place for your window bird feeder. We decided to use the window right outside our living room. The Home Depot Kids Workshop also comes with a workshop extension activity. Your kids may love adding this to their experience. The workshop extension activity include 3 parts, which are to connect, investigate, and innovate. We investigated by figuring out if there was a favorite kind of food that the birds were eating around our house. Over the course of a week, Emmy would check on the bird feeder on the outside of the window. Then she would measure it with a ruler and record those numbers onto her chart. Just like humans, birds also prefer some types of food over others. So we really recommend doing this fun experiment along with your workshop kit. Once their project is completed, make sure to fill out the Certificate of Achievement. Present it to them along with a unique pin that came with completing this kit. We had so much fun with this month's project and know that you will too.